Two boys found some dogs in an old house. The boy called his grandfather and asked his grandfather to build a new house for the dogs. Let's go through the process of building the house for the dogs. First, assemble small pieces of wood to make the foundation of the house. Use craftsmanship to join the walls of the house together. Then, make a wooden roof. To fit the pieces of wood together, use a saw to cut the wood to the measured size. Then, proceed to build the staircase. The next step is to construct the front frame of the house. Once the frame is done, proceed to roof the house. The next step is to make the door frame for the house. Then, fit the glass into the door frame. Afterward, cut the door panel using plastic. And install the wooden door frame. Attach the door to the frame using hinges. Once finished, proceed to paint the house. Paint the house with a layer of white paint. My roof will be painted in a grayish-blue color. After 3 days of work, the house is completed. Congratulations to the dogs for having a new home.